So with the development of AI, there's something that I've noticed lately, and that is that there are a lot of experts teaching people how to make money with AI. And from what I can see, they're not actually making money with doing what they're teaching, which is nothing new, is it? Because let's face it, YouTube is full of that kind of stuff, right? People that are teaching you how to make money, and they're not making money doing the thing that they're teaching. You know, this goes right back for me when I first came into this industry, when I was completely broke, and I discovered that when I was buying different programs, the way that the people were making their money was just by selling the programs and not by doing the thing they taught inside of it. And that is what led me to do what I've done ever since, and that is teach people how to make money online. So I'm going to be focusing on teaching you guys how to genuinely make money online and how to use AI to help you do that. Sometimes I'm going to be teaching you different AI tools that have been released, or tools that have been improved, or tools that are just out there so that you know how to get the best out of them. But the difference is, I will show you things from the perspective of somebody that actually is making the money. I'm testing this stuff all the time myself. I'm trying new things all the time, and I love to be able to pass that information on. That's what I've been doing almost for the last decade now. Now you'll see on the screen at the moment, this is a series of sales that came in over the weekend. It was Saturday and I wasn't even in the office, and it was such a wonderful day to see all these sales piling in. And the reason that I'm showing you that is not to show off, it's just to show you that this stuff is actually possible. And I'm telling you now, you can do this. All right, you absolutely can do this. Normal people are getting incredible results online. You just need to know what to do. Now, the reason for this video is because as of recording this, I'm close to approaching 10,000 subscribers. Now look, I know I've got a long way to go. I would love to have 100,000 subscribers. I would love to have 1 million subscribers. I'd love to have 10 million subscribers. But at the moment, I'm fast approaching 10,000. And I thought what I'd do is come on here and see if I can push that through a bit quicker by offering one of you guys absolutely free access to one of my training programs that sells for $697. Now, all you need to do is click on the link below. You just pop your details in there and you'll be entered into that free prize draw, and one of you will win full access. All right, absolutely no catch. It's completely free. But what I need you to do in order to qualify is just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and in the comments below let me know that you've done that. Okay, I can then check my latest subscribers against the people on the list that have chosen to enter this free draw and make sure that they match up before I put them into my randomizer and pick one of you out. So all you need to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel. Obviously, you know, the goal here is to get me over the 10,000, and then in the comments below let me know that you've done that, and of course click on that link to opt in to this free giveaway. Now, if you're watching this at a point where I've gone through 10,000, wouldn't it be lovely if you were watching this and it said something like 100,000, but I don't think that's going to be tomorrow. But if you're watching this at a point where I've gone through the 10,000, don't worry. Don't worry, you're still going to get freebies, okay? If the prize draw has already taken place, still opt in, because then you are guaranteed to get freebies. Okay, you're guaranteed to get freebies anyway, but one of you will win the grand prize. And the second prize will also be another $697 training program. So actually two of you are going to win something pretty amazing. But do make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm telling you now, I'm going to give you straight fact, actionable content. No old fanny, no BS, just stuff that absolutely works and stuff that you can do to make money online. You know, things are tough in the world at the moment and it's getting harder, and AI is coming to take a lot of jobs. But my plan is to arm as many people as possible with the tools and the information that they need in order to make enough money out of AI, so that if AI comes for your job, it doesn't matter. That's the way to do it, guys. And if you're up for that, then just make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to enter the prize draw, like, subscribe, comment, opt in. Click on the link below this video and you could be in with a chance of winning one of those mega prizes. Do that now. I look forward to hearing from you. Can't wait to read your comments below, and I'll speak to you soon. You take care.